And here comes the... Sorry, I'll be a bit loud. And here comes the strongest runners running in middle of the night. As you can see, we have how many? Five runners? Six runners?
Six runners.
6 runners with us, and this is a true equality run. We have Rizwana, we have Priyanka, and we have Anu, we have Latadi, we have Purnima, and we have Kavita. 6 runners. Usually we have guys and girls and like guys supporting and all, but these people do not need support. And yeah, going strong now. So 6 kilometers to 85 kilometers. We are 79 kilometers in Bangalore to Mysore equality run. And they just challenged, they just decided like this opportunity they won't get again. And in city it is crazy, with families it is crazy, society is crazy, everything is crazy. Middle of night they just decided that one slot we want. And it was, we were just talking and we were just discussing, and it was decided one slot we want. And super feeling nice. Priyanka, how are you? Thank you. Supporters. What do you have to say, Subbu, about we have a lot of strong girls in the team, and then
these girls are
showing,
crazy. It's the strongest one I've ever seen. Okay, everyone has done their slots and they still do it again.
Together.
This is somewhat the power is. Okay, this is what is equality which we are talking about.
Because
already 4:47.
Yes, and we have not slept in I don't know 4 or 5 days, and Subbu has been driving since 2-3 hours. The society and all now is just comments once again. Yeah. So anyways, yeah, so we are going strong. 6 now 1 kilometer and 5 more kilometers to go. Everyone has finished their own slots. Some will be running in morning, but this is the challenge they just took on themselves, that equality runs. So we'll just run together, we'll run strong. And this thing,
come on girls, yeah!
What are those vehicles or no, okay. So yes, come on.
Easy Priyanka, easy.
Fast. Dogs are chasing. Go easy pace. So I will do Facebook Live again, and I mean crazy people, and that is what the society needs to learn. Everyone is equal, and yeah, Sunil is awake. Hello Sunil. And we are on 80 kilometer mark, 81 kilometer mark. 85 kilometer is CCD. We are heading towards that. We will party over there. Like, it's almost there. We are not going to stop now. It's lot of runners are remaining, so we'll plan the final this thing. We are expecting we'll reach Mysore Palace by 11:30 AM, and this is a very special slot, 6 kilometers, and our girls keep rocking. Yes, thank you, and I'll convey to them. Yeah, so these girls took the challenge on themselves, and they said like, we'll run one slot, we don't need any guys support. And so yeah, they are going strong. And 6 girls, Priyanka, Rizwana, Purnima, Anu, Kavita, and Latadi. So I'll do the Facebook Live again after 2-3 kilometers before reaching the final destination. But yes, I hope like lot of people will be watching in the morning only. But yes, going strong. I'll keep posted. I'll do the Facebook Live from outside also, and it's middle of nowhere, and so whatever. Like I'll be repeating myself only, and they'll be going strong. And yes, so I'll do again after a while.